What does it mean to own a Coit franchise? Well, let's hear from those who live it every day.
I would say my biggest why for this whole thing was building something for my son and my two girls. So my why is to build a huge operation, multiple locations, a multi-million, multi-truck location, and to be able to leave it for them.
With over 75 years of experience, Coit has built a legacy of success and support, helping franchisees grow with confidence.
Neither of us had expertise in this area. My husband was a State Farm agent, I was a school teacher, so we had a big learning curve. We had plenty of support staff who we still rely on. Our operations manager has been great.
It's about more than just a business. It's about building a legacy, a future you can be proud of.
I was a Coit employee as a cleaner. I cleaned for probably 18 to 20 years and loved it. That's why I decided to buy my own. I have my children involved in the company as well and get to see a lot more of them. We work together and we grow together.
At Coit, family is at the heart of everything we do, helping you build something that lasts for generations.
I enjoy most is working with the people that we have. I've got a great group of managers, and they're all committed to our mission. And then not only that, you know, we probably have 100 employees, so we get to support 100 families too.
As part of Coit, you're not just building a business, you're building a community of support, growth, and opportunity. With exclusive territories, comprehensive training, and results-driven marketing, Coit helps you grow. Join the Coit family today and start building your legacy.